Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E6S, and today I would like to show you how you can manage automatic screen rotation on this Motorola. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for Auto Rotate icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now green. That means that auto rotation is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same icon again. If you want to, you can always go into settings as well, tap on display section and choose advanced. Then tap on this sweater next to auto rotate screen to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!